Today I'm going to be going over the USACO 2020 December Contest Bronze Problem 2 Daisy Chains. So let's get into the question. Every day, as part of her walk around the farm, Bessie the cow visits her favorite pasture, which has N flowers, labeled 1 through N, lined up in a row. Flower I has PI petals. As a budding photographer, Bessie decides to take several photos of these flowers. In particular, for every pair of flowers IJ, satisfying that they are both in between 1 and N, Bessie takes a photo of all flowers from flower I to flower J, including them. Bessie later looks at these photos and notices that some of these photos have an average flower, a flower that has P petals, where P is the exact average number of petals among all flowers in the photo. How many of Bessie's photos have an average flower? So this is our question that we're trying to solve. The input format is going to be, the first line is N, which is the number of flowers there are, and then the second line is going to be 4 numbers here. So it's saying the first flower has 1 petal, the second has 1, and the third has 2, and the fourth has 3. So this is how we're getting the input. Then as the output, we have to print a single integer, which is the number of photos that have an average flower. So in this case, the answer is 6, because every picture containing just a single flower contributes to the count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you look here, the first 2, the average is 1, which it has a flower that has 1 petal. So that's going to be another count. Then the next one is going to be like this, which is 1, 2, 3, and then the average is 2, which the photo also has. So basically in this case, including those 2 cases and the photos with each of the 1 flowers, it's going to be 6. So let's try coding this now. So I've already got the input, and it's going to be the number of flowers made into an integer, and then P is going to be the next line, which is the number of petals that each of the flower has. Let's get started by parsing the input data. So I'm going to make a new S list, which is going to have the first petal. I'm going to try to make each element in the S list the sum of all the petals in the list before it. So there's S, which has the first petal in it already, and then I'm going to go from the first index, which is the second flower, to N. And then I'm going to add from the sum before, and then add the current petals to make this S list. Now I'm going to make the main code now. I'm going to set up answer as 0, then go through the entire list. And then we're going to make a double loop to go from each start to each end. So for the first one, I'm going like 1, 2, 3, and then like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And since it has to include itself, I'm going to start from I instead of I plus 1. Okay, and then I'm going to check that the sum of the numbers in between it is divisible by the number of petals. So that's what I need for the average, and since I need the exact average, I need that to be an integer. So first of all, I'm going to check that it is an integer. Then I am going to set the average as P, the same thing as the line before. This is the current petal, and then the sum of all the petals until now, and then subtract all the petals before I. So I have to add the petal I, and then I'm going to divide that by J minus I plus 1, which is the number of petals in between I and J. And since I checked that the remainder is 0 already, I just need to use this division sign to divide to make an integer answer. Okay, and then I'm going to loop around all the integers in between I and J again to see if any of the petals equals the average. So if they do equal the average, I'm going to add 1 and then break, since I'm just checking for the average photos, not the number of flowers that has the average petal. So that's it, and then I'm going to print answer. Okay, let's check with the sample input here. And 6, yes. So I'm gonna try submitting now. Here, daisy chains. And there. I hope this helped, and thank you for watching.